Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have here a desk bike by Flexispot. Now this is a desk and a bicycle. It's also a stand-up desk as well. Now you can exercise and work on your computer. You can play games on a big screen. You can go ahead and read a newspaper if you wish. You can watch movies or shows as you're cycling. Now the minimum and maximum height is 5'1" to 6'2". Now I'm 6'1", I'm almost 6'2", but I do think that you can go a little bit taller. Maybe if you are even 6'3", I think this will still be fine. So here's the seat here. It's a nice, cushiony, like rubbery foam feeling here. And I'll bring you guys up close 1 second. But you have a height adjuster here on the seat. That's the lowest it's going to go, and then you can adjust it all the way up to the highest right here. Also with the desk here, I think this is the highest that it goes. Okay, so this is the lowest that the desk is going to go, and the highest is right here. You can also move the desk forward. That's the max, and the closest to me will go right here, which is too close for me. I like it out almost all the way out. And take note again, I'm 6'1", and I kind of like having mine between 3/4 to all the way up, depending on how I feel. Now this could be a stand-up desk as well. You can simply just move it all the way down like that, and now you can go ahead and go about your business here. And then when you're ready to start working again, slide that over, hop on up, and get the business. What you can also do too, you can also go frontwards as well if you wish, just like this. Now the weight of this is actually a lot heavier than I anticipated. This is like 75 pounds. It is pretty heavy. Nice and sturdy. The wheels roll great on the rugs as well as wooden floors. It does have a lock on here as well. As soon as you sit on this, the wheels basically lock in place. Now the assembly for this takes literally 1 minute. It comes in 2 pieces. It comes in this base part here, and it comes in the desk. To install the desk, you simply slide it onto this groove right here, and then you put the hex screw right in here, and you screw it in, and you're ready to rock and roll. Now, if you wanted to put this in storage, what you can actually do too is these legs actually come all the way in. And then the desk you can go ahead and pull off, and you can put this right into your closet. All right, so I'll give you a better look here. You can see the pedals here too. It actually comes with like rubberish silicone pedal covering. You can basically just slide this over the pedal if you want to cycle barefoot or with socks on. It's a lot more comfortable. You can see the legs here. Again, if you wanted to put this in storage or whatnot, these legs go all the way in. And here's the nice seat cushion, as you can see here. And here's the lever right here to move it up and down. And I showed you under the desk here. So you have this lever here that slides it forward and backward. And this lever here raises the desk up and down. And looking at the top of the desk here, you can see this nice thick rubbery thing here. Basically just makes it easier when you're typing. I also like to hold on to this sometimes when I'm just like watching TV. And you can see the size of the top of the desk. Now this laptop here is 15-inch laptop I have up here. As you can see how much room you have on here. And this desk is pretty smooth. You can actually write on this. It's not like really grainy. And let me show you the LED panel here and the resistance level knob here. The resistance level goes from 1 all the way to 8. And every time you want to start this, you basically press this button or just start the pedal. And how you turn it off, basically when there's no pedal movement for 4 minutes, it automatically turns off. Now looking at the LCD panel here, you can see we have a lot of different functions here. We have scan, we have a timer, the time you exercised. We have speed, distance, calories for how much calories you burned. We have an odometer, which is the distance you have cycled. And we have RPM for basically speed of the wheel. Almost forgot to mention, but you do have a cup holder here as well. Well, that's it for this review. Guys, thanks for watching. And now it's for me to get back to my PUBG Mobile. Let's do this, guys. Let's roll, let's roll, let's move, let's move. You're 2 o'clock. I'll meet you up front. Go around the building. Quick. Let's move. There's a car all the way up there. Flank to the left. Oh,